Hello friends, welcome to Tarla Dalal's Health and Nutrition Kitchen. I am your nutritionist Nisha, and today from a pile of health cookbooks that we have, I have chosen Healthy Heart Cookbook. From this book, I am going to share a recipe of whole wheat pasta in low-cal white sauce. There are a lot of health angles to making this pasta recipe. Firstly, I am going to replace the refined maida-based pasta with whole wheat pasta. Toss in some fiber-rich vegetables with it and then cook all this in a low-cal white sauce. Doesn't it sound very interesting? So let's quickly make our recipe. So to make the pasta, add some oil. Here I have taken around 1 teaspoon of olive oil. The reason for using olive oil is that it's a good source of monounsaturated fatty acids, which again is healthy for your heart. Once the oil is heated, add loads of finely chopped garlic, one more healthy heart ingredient here, and saute it for a few seconds. Add some sliced onions to this. Saute the onions for about 1 to 2 minutes. And to this, add some whole wheat flour. Here again I have used this as a thickening agent because I am not going to use any corn flour. Saute this for about 1 to 2 minutes. As I am not going to make use of any plain flour or corn flour for thickening, this is a part of making the low-calorie white sauce. Cook this wheat flour for about 1 to 2 minutes. You can see the color of the wheat flour has changed to light brown. To this, add some low-fat milk and keep stirring it continuously so that no lumps form. As you have seen, to make this low-cal white sauce, I have made use of wheat flour and low-fat milk. We also have another version of low-calorie white sauce using cauliflower puree. You can use that as well. Allow this to cook for about 1 to 2 minutes while stirring it continuously. To this, toss in some fiber-rich veggies. Here I have made use of colored capsicum. If you wish, you can also saute the colored capsicum along with the onions. Some blanched broccoli florets, blanched carrot juliennes, whole wheat pasta, salt, and of course the Italian flavoring, which is some oregano and chili flakes. Mix all this well and let it cook for about 2 minutes again. Isn't this looking as colorful and creamy as your cheesy pasta? With this, our pasta is ready for serving. So go ahead and enjoy this pasta for parties as an occasional treat, and remember, moderation is always the key to good health.
Download the Tarla Dalal app on your Apple and Android devices. Follow us on the Facebook and tarladalal.com. If you enjoy our recipes, click like. To see more of my recipes, click here. Please share your comments. I would love to hear them. I'm waiting for them.